This three-dimensional point-based model of an automotive transmission housing was created from test data taken with a Polytech 3D laser system. The laser system made 2,068 measurements of the transmission case surfaces, and the plane surface model was animated from those measurements. A 3D photorealistic model of the actual transmission housing was created from 8 photos of the test structure. With the improved rotate, translate, and resize commands in the Structure Window Drawing Assistant, the 3D photorealistic model of the transmission housing was easily aligned with the 3D plane surface model. Although the two models contain different numbers of points, the built-in animation equation interpolation in EmiScope was used to animate the photo model. Animation of the modes of the 11,000 plus point 3D photorealistic model of the transmission case is far superior to a traditional stick model animation, virtually bringing the structure to life.